morning, students. We have been discussing chapter 15 for the past 3 weeks. In today's section, we are going to discuss some of the additional terms used in chapter 15. The first one is disruptive innovations. Innovations which replace the existing technologies are called as disruptive innovations. Innovations, that is especially disruptive innovations, creates a new market in e-commerce. Initially, this term was coined by Clayton M in his book The Innovation Dilemma. Among various innovations available nowadays, e-commerce itself is a disruptive innovation. These are some of the examples for disruptive innovations. Animal-based road transport market is disrupted by motor car innovations because motor cars creates a new market in the world when compared to the traditional road transport. Likewise, film cameras market is disrupted by digital camera innovations because by the introduction of digital cameras, it is totally creates a new market in world by taking various photos when compared to film cameras and for storing better quality. And then floppy disk market is interrupted by CD and USB innovation. See here, a floppy disk is the one of the oldest storage devices for storing data, but the disadvantage is we can store only 1.44 MB. But by after introduction of compact disk and USB, it creates a new innovation market in the e-commerce. So we can store any number of data, that is large volume of data, not only a text but also movies, video files in USB drives. By seeing all these innovations, e-commerce itself is a disruptive innovations because it drives the traditional commerce of buying and selling products directly. E-commerce creates a new market around the world to buy and sell products electronically instead of directly. Next term used in this chapter is voice shopping. The future navigational experience is less text based but more conversation based in order to find any information, because when we type any text, the user could type only 15 words or 70 words within a minute. But when the user use voice for navigation, he may use more than 150 words within a minute. So the future navigational experience is more conversation based. So voice activated speaker like Google Home, Alexa are capable of doing much more than just playing favorite songs. We can use our voice to search any websites, or we can also control our gadgets with the help of voice. Through voice shopping, these devices place order to e-shopping websites. No need to spend more time for typing the text. Instead of that, we can control, we can search any online shopping with the help of our voice. Voice assistant is also available in various applications, e-business applications. Next term is chatbots. Chatbots are robots especially used for chatting purpose, which makes interact with the customers and which helps to take the orders for them. The artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data technologies allow consumers to interact with the chatbot instead of customer relation officer to buy a things via phone. The advantage of chatbot means anytime the customer communicate with the customer relation officer and they can solve their problem using some chatting text. Next term is augmented reality. Augmented reality is a three-dimensional experience of witnessing the virtual items by augmenting the real object with the virtual one. Augment is nothing but enhancing the real object with the virtual objects. With the help of AR technology, the customer can see themselves and visualize how they would look like in a particular outfit, especially when they are choosing any dresses. The advantage of augmented reality, they don't have to wear it physically. Instead of that, they can view many items visually for selecting the best one. See this picture. In this picture, the lady is choosing a dress. Instead of going to the shop directly by using the augmented reality, the customer keep changing the experience of choosing various outfits and check them easily to find out whether the outfits are particularly suit to them. Augmented reality and virtual reality keep changing the experience of customers and motivate the customers to buy the products frequently. This is also another example to see how augmented reality is used in e-commerce. Initially, reality technology was used in interior design and home decor websites. And this technology was used to display the products visually and to see the customers' benefits. By using the technology of augmented reality, the sellers allow customers to visually place furniture in their home and envision what the end result will look like via their mobile phone. No need to go to the shop directly and no need to spend more times for selecting the appropriate furnitures. Instead of that, by logging into the particular websites, that is in interior design and home decor websites, customers are able to visually place furniture in their homes for choosing the better one. For the successful implementation of e-commerce, any organization requires the following things. First, they need well-designed website for promoting their products and to display their operations. And they need adequate computer hardware and software for electronic communication. They need effective telecommunication system. And they definitely require technically qualified and respective workforce, especially employees. And finally, business service infrastructure is important requirements for implementing e-commerce successfully in any organization. Okay students, with the definitions of these terms, we completed chapter 15. Let us discuss book back objective questions from this chapter. First question, a company can be called e-business. These are the options. The answer is second one. It conducts business electronically over the internet. Definitely a company is called as e-business only if it conducts all its business operations over internet. And next question is, which of the following is not a tangible good? Tangible good is nothing but an item which is delivered physically, that is directly. Among four of these options, mobile, medicine and flower bouquets, they will be delivered directly. So they are called tangible goods. So the answer is B, mobile apps. Because mobile apps are downloaded through internet, so it is electronically delivered item. And next question is expansion of SME. The expansion of SME is small and medium sized enterprises. So option A is the right answer. Option C is the right answer for the fourth question. The dot-com phenomenon deals with internet-based companies. Only the internet-based companies are called as dot-com companies. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? In this, the first one is the right answer. Actually, the period for the first wave of electronic commerce is 1995 to 2003. But here it is wrongly given as 1985 to 1990. So option A is not correctly matched. Next question is an assertion reason type. Assertion A. The websites of firstwave.com companies were only in English. And the reason given here is the dot-com companies of first wave are mostly American companies. So answer is option A. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A, because during the first wave of electronic commerce, all the dot-com companies were American companies, and all the websites of firstwave.com companies were only in English because they are only American based companies. See the next question, the meaning of offshoring. Answer is option D. Offshoring is nothing but work outsourced to the third party outside its own country. G2G systems are classified into internal facing and external facing. So option A is the right answer. And the next question. Dash hosts the ebooks on their websites. Answer is option C, digital publishing websites. And last question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of e-commerce? Actually, in this question, they gave two options correctly. I marked both the answers for this question. Go through this question. It may be asked wrongly in new versions. In this question, they asked which is not the characteristics of e-commerce. By seeing these options, option B and C are not characteristics of e-commerce. In option B, they gave goods are delivered instantly. But in e-commerce, it takes some time to deliver the goods. And in option C, they gave resources focused supply side. But in e-commerce, resources focused demand side. So both options are not the characteristics of e-commerce. Okay students, that's all about today's section, and that's all about chapter 15. We have discussed all the topics from the chapter 15. In next section, we will revise all the topics briefly in chapter 15. Until take care, God bless you.